Hello, in front of me I've got Potensic ATOM 2. In this video I'll show you how to start and stop the drone. To turn on the drone, firstly unfold arms and then take a look at the bottom of it. Right here we've got the power button. Press once and then press and hold the power button. Drone is now on. To turn it off, again press once and press and hold. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.